Hi there, my name's Simon, and in this episode of the Maserati Guy we're going to be looking at the SL500 and we're going to be finding out how we can set the passenger mirror to adjust when you put it into reverse. So a common feature with modern cars is that when you engage reverse gear, the passenger mirror tilts downwards to let you see the curb. And this feature is actually available on the SL500, although it's buried so far in the owner's manual that I should imagine that very few people know how to do it. And it took me a while to work out myself. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. The instructions are contained in pages 100 and 101 of the owner's manual. Feel free to pause the video to read them if you wish. So these are instructions for a right-hand drive vehicle. On a left-hand drive vehicle, obviously the controls will be reversed. The first thing you have to do is that you press the left mirror button to select the passenger side mirror. Then once you've done that, you adjust the mirror to the position you want with the reverse gear engaged. The next step involves pressing two buttons fairly rapidly, once after the other. So when you've set the mirror position, the first thing you have to do is press the memory button on the driver's side door. And then within a few seconds, you press any button on this control pad. If you've done it correctly, the mirror won't move when you press the button. And that shows that the reverse parking position has been stored in memory. Once you've set this, when you put the car in reverse, the mirror will automatically tilt down. Once you move the car out of reverse and move off, the mirror returns to its normal position. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that short video just explaining how to adjust the mirror when engaging reverse gear. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give the like a click, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and you can follow me on Instagram at Maserati Guy 2017, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.